Are you searching for the best gutter installation company in Tacoma? Are you looking for affordability without giving up quality? Well, you do not need to keep searching. You have found seamless gutters for less. We have been serving Pierce County for almost 3 decades, plus our customers love us. We have over 260 5-star reviews. Our seamless gutters provide top-notch quality and exceptional customer satisfaction for an affordable price. Discover why we're the top choice in Tacoma. Made from premium materials, they blend beautifully with your home's exterior. Our seamless gutters are designed to eliminate leaks and reduce maintenance. Choose seamless gutters for durability, efficiency, and style. Join the hundreds of satisfied customers in Tacoma who've trusted us. With protecting their home, ready to upgrade? Contact Seamless Gutters for less today and enjoy our special pricing for Tacoma residents. Call now and protect your home with the best.